Actually, I saw a comment on Reddit the other day that really stuck with me. Someone said, it used to feel like defense tech was this locked door. Now it feels like a co working space with the door propped open. That shift in perception? That's huge.
And speaking of perception, I noticed a thread on Twitter where a founder said, "We didn't even pitch the DoD, they DM'd us first." That's the kind of reversal we're talking about. This used to be unapproachable. Now it's inviting you in, if you're smart about it.
But before we wrap, let's zoom out for a second. If you're a solo founder or indie builder listening right now, what would it actually look like to take the first step into this space?
You know what's really exciting? We're still in the early stages. The infrastructure and support systems are just getting built out. 5 years from now, this landscape could look completely different. So if you're thinking about entering this space, here's a quick playbook. Start with a dual use idea and something that works in both defense and civilian markets. Don't build alone. Partner with specialists. Contractors can become co founders. Use a lean stack. Cloudflare Pages, N8N, Notebook LM, tools that give you leverage fast. You can build a working prototype in a weekend with these. Tap into accelerators like DIU, AFWERX, or DARPA's Embedded Entrepreneur Initiative. And go deep on one capability: modular tech, security, logistics, and build it to plug into the bigger ecosystem. The ecosystem is actually set up to help you succeed now, which is pretty remarkable when you think about it. So here's a question to sit with. If your current startup had to solve a defense or resilience problem tomorrow, what would it build?